Lalu, welcome back to another streams. Kali ini sebenarnya buat streaming coding suka-suka aja ya. Lagi bikin beberapa tools buat riset dan, eee, mungkin, bakal butuh dokumentasi. Jadi saya bakal nge-setup dokumentasi buat, tools yang saya buat ini. Jadi buat, riset saya nanti. Yang dibuat adalah, concept mapping tools. So, this my research things, guys. Right. Oke. Like I said, this stream will be in English, uh, but sometimes will be mixed with bahasa. So I recently explored the Laravel and React. So I'm very good with Laravel and PHP, but I'm not really good with React. And then I try these things, the type coding activities. So quite helpful so far. It helped me create so many things. It helped me discuss, and it helped me review my code. So if you guys want to try the vibe coding, you can try free copilot extension. So this is the GitHub copilot extension. Let's see how far I have get some feature about this concept mapping tools. So my research will require me to create a concept map, and then yeah, let user modify, let user create concept map, let user do everything with the concept map, connecting the concept and add anything that they want to the map. So something like this, add another map. Giving a different color is also allowed, and then new link. So this is quite specific. The requirement of the research requires these things, and then you can link this. Link this one, link this one, link to this one. So when they save, the data of this concept map will be saved into the database. So let's see if we go to concept map and then we edit, the data is updated. So this is quite good, I think. I work with this with almost zero React experience, and yeah, the copilot helps me a lot. So we move this one, we move this one, we move this one, we move this one, and then we save. When we reload, the data is there. So the library that I use is Laravel. I use the latest Laravel, and then I use Laravel starter kit. This one, application starter kit. This is with the React starter kit with inertia, and I also use setcn, but I do not know setcn so many. Do not know the details about setcn, so just use any available setcn component here. I don't know. Is this the best practice or not for now? But just keep these things done. As long as the feature is okay, I don't really care about the UI. But if you guys have some experience about HCN and UI development, you can comment and give me some insight about the UI. I also use this library, React Flow. This library is very good. The React Flow library, I think will help my research a lot. We can have so many types of concept, and we can, but actually this is for a flow development. If you are familiar with n8n and automation tools, there will be so many interface that create something like this. My requirement for the concept map is quite simple, just a concept and a link, and then we can connect everything. But the React provide better so many other options, but how we can use this option to fit our requirement, we can check here. We can change the shape. The result of this output can be changed depend on the UI of depend on the state of other concept, something like this. Yeah, this is quite good, and I think it will be beneficial for you if you guys know about these libraries and use this for your learning. Okay, so far we have these features, but I really need some other features. So let's go see how we can use AI and ask for their help to implement these features. So my tips is if you want to go to do a vibe coding, so the first thing first is always use your Git. So every change that happen, make it a smaller step by step change that you will have to remember. You will have to put the AI as your copilot, not the pilot, because you need to know the code and you need to know how the code works. So you will ask, discuss, and then use their insight, but decide the code by yourself. So do not trust everything to the AI because sometimes the generated code is so bad. So you need to know to review. So your job as a programmer now is not creating the code from scratch, but to decide the architecture, to decide the which one is good, which one is bad, and how you can check and review the AI generated code and how to guide them to create the code for you. So, so, so far the feature is quite implemented. So all of this data will be saved into a database. Where is the database? I think here. Yeah. We have this concept map tables and then concept map logs. This one. So for the each concept map, I will save the final map here in a JSON format. But like this, if we make it pretty, it will be changed into something like this. So in React Flow, there will be two things, the node and the edge. The node is this one, and the edge is this one. Yeah, this is quite difficult to remove the edge, but it's okay. Okay, then the next feature I would like to implement is this. I want to log everything, not only the final map. I want to log the concept map creating process. So, for example, the user move to this position, user move to this position, move to this position. I want it to be saved into a variables, and then we send the data to the backend. So, for example, here in this table, the concept map logs table, it will be saved not only the final data but also the change happen in the concept mapping. But I do not know how to implement it yet. Let's see the code here. Where is the code? Where is the code? Save button. Save concept map. So okay, this is the effect. Save map button. So okay. What happened is in this save map button, when we click it, it will wait for save concept map. Save concept map is from the flow store. If we go to the flow store, we have a array of nodes and array of edges, and then we have this save concept map function. I don't know if this a correct way to to define a function in React or JavaScript or TypeScript, but I think this is just the common function definition, so I use this one. So we get all the nodes, edge, and React Flow instance, and the viewport, and then the payload that will be saved into the database is the nodes, the edges, and the viewport. So, but I would like to add another data, because what if the nodes change and the history of the map concept map creation. So when I get the history of the concept map creation, I can get the insight how the user create the concept map. So for example, they create one first, they create the link first, or they create another things first. Not the final one, but the change. Let's ask the AI. So let's try. I don't know. Can we make this feature or not? Okay. Let's here concept. The Copilot have three modes, guys. So they have ask mode, they have the editing mode, and they have agent mode. But to brainstorming, you better use ask mode, and later on you can use the edit or agent mode. But I do not recommend directly using the agent mode like any other streamers do, or any other YouTube channels do, because they want to create a fully functioning app in one command. That is quite difficult, so it's better to split the task into several smaller tasks, and then you can make it detailed step by step. So usually I will like to brainstorm with them first, with the AI first, then we can continue to refine our requirement. So let's see. Mm, we have to describe what we want to English, you know. That's why this stream I use English, guys. So my Indonesian audience, please learn English so we can give a better comment to them. But however, we can also give a comment in Bahasa to the agent, but I do not think it will be give a good result. Yeah, because it have to translate and then retranslate again, and then I don't know. Better to use English, I think. So let's try. I want to create uh, a logging variables that track the process of concept mapping, concept map creation by the user, not only the final map. For the final map, I already implement in the save concept map function. So it's like more talking to the AI to describe what we need, and then ask them to create. So I want to create a logging cost variables that track the process of concept map creation. With this logging data, I want to be able to replay their concept map creation process. How would you recommend I create such features? Okay, let's see. Just ask. Do not edit file yet. Just give me ideas how to do that. Okay. Uh, Sometimes I not only ask to the copilot, because I also have cloud subscription. So Sometimes for brainstorming, it's better to use cloud. This is the cloud desktop, guys. But let's see how they recommend me to do this. Hmm, action logger system. Not action, creation, deletion, movement, resize, labeling, styling. Okay. Edge action, deletion, reconnection, viewport, select, deselect, not edge. Ah, yeah. So I think this is good. I will need this, but they're missing some actions such as the deletion action is already here. Storage approach, database storage action in the database, permanent storage, batch processing, accumulate action in memories and periodically save batches. Okay, debounce. Okay. To replay the concept map creation process, create a timeline component. Uh, this recommendation that the copilot give me is that they want me to create a control replay button for half times, 1 times, and 2 times faster. Implement playback, step-by-step navigation. Extend your flow store, add action logging middleware that wraps existing operation. Track timestamp, yes. I think the timestamp will be necessary because the timestamp will take the time when when the user do some things. Handle serialization, transmission of logs. User click at concept, node creation is not created in flow store, logging middleware capture action with timestamp and node details. Action is added to the log queue. Okay. For high frequency action like node dragging, log and the start and the only the start and end position. Yes, I agree. Use debouncing for continuous action. Consider compression for log storage transmission. Implement cleanup policies for old logs. Okay. Ah, this is nice. So, uh, the AI already know that there is a possibilities that the system will be lagging if we use so many log and tracking all the log changes. So I agree with this, but still don't get the idea how to implement this in. This is the type structure, timestamp, payload, concept map ID. Mhm. Okay. Give me more details how to implement. I agree with this, but how it will be connected to the Easter event? This is I previously I create one by one log, but this is I think not really not really good because this saving data every time. So I think I will use this batch processing or the periodically save batches, but where mm, how if we save the final data only do not do not I think I do not want to implement this the batch processing yet because it's quite complicated. I will just save this data in the last. I will save the log data every time the users uh, click the save concept map button. And when currently, if we save the concept map button here, the user will send the data to the database, but only the final map. But I also want we track the changes and send the change to the database also when the user click the save map. I think for a small concept map, it will not destroy the server. Okay, make it simple. I want to save. I want to track the user action, and then put the user action data to the save map creation, I think, to the data in the save concept map function, and send the data when user save. Click the save button. Let's make it simple first. So when you code with AI, make it simple and make it clear, to make sure the change is not too much, so you still can track the code and understand the quality of the code. Okay, let's see. Can we do this? Make it simple. I want to track the user action, then put the user action data. So the user action data will be added here when the concept map button save. So let's try. So the data will be saved only when the user click the save button, with the risk that the data will be so big. Okay. Yes. But let's make it simple. Yeah. Not make it too complicated yet. Okay, let's define the action log types. Okay. In TypeScript, yeah, this is new for me, guys. The TypeScript is always asks you to create these things. I'm born in the JavaScript era, the Jurassic JavaScript, so I have never created such things. But in the TypeScript, we will have to create this. But lucky for me that the AI create this for me, not me. Oh, let's see. Let's see what is the recommendation. Define the log types, update the flows interface, and implement the action tracking. Yes. The action tracking, where is this one? Log action. The payload will be any, this one. Payload will be any because the payload will be so many things, but the timestamp is important. We will use the timestamp. I already have some function. I forgot, guys. There is some function that to create the timestamp similar to the Laravel timestamp things. Okay, so store. It will log an action. Oh, okay. Hey, wait a minute. Flow store. This is the flow store. Yeah, I'm also new to this React state management things. I use Zeus 10. I do not know. Do you guys know these things? Package JSON. Zeus 10. Zeus 10? Where is it? Dev dependency. Zeus 10? Okay. Let's just skip that. The bottom line is that all of the state will be saved into this one file, and I just need to create modification here, but not all of this code I understand. Log action. Wait a minute. Log action with timestamp. Okay. Log action is the function. Type payload action log timestamp date.now. Its state it will set a state. Okay. Of action log. Okay. Action log is this one. An empty array. We can clear action log. We can reset. Okay, yeah. Of course, when we reset, we also have to clear the action logs, so it will not menu-menuin apa in the English, just this will not fill the storage of state. But I do not know if you guys know any information about how big a state can be saved in the React app. because this is concerning. This action log will be so big. Set node's okay. React flow instance, valid connection. Problem is where where we will take this log action. Where is the log action here? I think we should call the log action function here, but the AI doesn't add that thing. This one. They add the log action, saving, and then no change. They log the. Okay, this is good. This is good. Maybe you guys need a bigger screen here. This is quite good, yeah. Where is it? New node. It call this one. This is good. I agree with this one. Okay, I think it's okay lah ya. Just get a clear reset. Yeah, when we save, we have to clear this one. Node change, log the node changes. Edge change, okay. Edge delete. Edges change, okay. Okay, timestamp also. Only the edge, okay. Yeah, this is the how what will happen in the future. I think the vibe coding things we ask them and review their code, just how we make this AI better. This backend is not necessary. We will not use these things. Edge delete. Okay, I think we can copy this, guys. It's okay, I think. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Just make sure before you push this button, make sure you already commit your code, guys. Always commit code before give AI ability to change your code. So this will be very dangerous if you just let them edit without you having a backup in your Git. So the Git ability, Git and GitHub ability is necessary. This is fundamental for you when you try to learn pipe coding. So please learn to Git and GitHub. Okay. Oh, so many changes. Oh man. So this is not the best thing we can do with the AI because there is 23 changes. See here. This is quite dangerous, but because I already have the code saved previously, so okay, just let's try. But review this one by one, just to make sure. Empty logs array, the log actions. This function is quite good because anytime we log an action, the timestamp is defined here, not in the function call. So this is good. This one is good. This line number 7 here is good. Look, notice this one. Maybe in your coding life, yeah, you will tempted to take the timestamp out of this function. It is bad practice. This is a good practice one. Clear action logs, okay. This is at the reset, okay. Resetting React Flow instance. Okay, this is they log the viewport. I don't know, will I need this, but yeah, just log it. Okay, no problem. Not creation. Saving concept map. Adding another action logs array to this one is okay. Action log is here. Yeah, the AI understand what I wanted, what I intended to do. So based on the question that I put in the chat. So please be careful when this defining specification that you want to give. Okay, log, clear log actions. What is this? This is not position change dragging. This is the weird part of the JavaScript. The three equal sign. It's okay. Logging not move. On edges change. Log action. New edge. Yes, of course we will need an UID. Why? I do not. I think I already add UID previously. Okay, just let these things. Edge create. Diffuse node. Updating existing node. Okay. Okay, this is just when updating node, they save the previous and the new data. Do we need such thing? Okay, okay, just let this. Let this. I think I will use this one, guys. Delete node data. Get. Okay. This is bad because so many things change. But yes, okay. Let's review this one by one. Affected edge. Oh, wait a minute. What is the affected edge? Okay, okay, okay. Duplicating, yeah. So I have a feature to duplicate a node, and then they also knew these things. Deleting edge. We gonna lock this thing. Set the set the state, then delete. Get fine. Okay. The edge variables, not the edges. Okay. This is okay. I think we can accept this for now. So let's skip this one. Let's save. Edge. Sorry. Let's save and let's see how it changes. And so let's see when we go to save concept map. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, set concept map. They will add these action logs. And then they will post the body. I will console log payload. Okay, let's see. Let's see how this thing. We reload. Okay. If you guys have any ideas how to debug better in React, because I'm not really familiar, this is new experience for me with React.js, just please comment and tell me how to do these things better. Okay, let's see. I move this, not position change. I move this and let's see. Okay, what is the action logs? Oh, nice. The not move logs is already logged. What is the payload? Only the position. But we get the node ID. So if we have the node ID, we can check. I don't know if we use this only these things in the replay data. Can we do that or not? Let's see. Payload, not move, position. The timestamp is this one, but the timestamp that I use is this one. Edges. Let's see the edges. The Laravel timestamp is the problem. The Laravel timestamp is used this updated at. I think I need to. Do we need to make this? Okay, just implement this step by step. So when you are working with AI, you will tempted to make so many big features. Just keep it small and keep it step by step. Okay. So we have these action logs, and we need to save this action log to the action logs to the database also. So Just make it step by step first. So go do this. I need to make a migration. Concept map logs table. I am going to do a lazy way. I should be create a new migration because new table change, but I just recreate these things, guys. In the developments, okay to do this. In the production, please do not do these things. Okay. Concept map. Concept. Wait a minute. Uh, Map logging. Concept map process log. We make these tables. We make this concept. What is the model? Concept map log. I use guarded. Some of the Laravel developer prefer fillable, but because for simplicity I use guarded here. So it's okay, I think. And then controller. Wait a minute. This one. Gonna store this concept. Oh, not this one. Concept map log controller. This is not the best way to prepare the route, guys. But yeah, I just need to be finished, not to be perfect. So I use this way. I use store concept map logs. It's concept. Sorry. Always for the best practice, always use log request. Yeah. We go here. We go here. What is concept map log mod table? Okay. Process log. Thing like this. Okay. Then we save this. You can make this simple. Let's try to ask the AI to simplify. What? This comment, guys. Oh, this is a bot comment. Muhammad Yesa hadir, thank you. Tuan Juragan subscribe, mantap. Yang lain juga please subscribe and do things. This is the comment from which? Okay. Concept map grid. Okay, I will accept this. Actually, we can simplify this further. Request validated. But just make sure this is work. Let's see. We move. Then if out. Close to. Oh man. 267. Okay, flow store. So the error is in. Okay, why? This is the debugging parts. I don't know. Oh yeah, we need to migrate, guys. Migrate fresh. I do migrate fresh. Do not do this in production because it will drop your database. So don't do this. Don't do this in production because, yeah, this is not work. Let's login again. In we will have an empty concept map. We create a concept map. We create a link. Moving it. Get link. Connecting. Get link. Then another connecting. Okay. Clear the console and then click the save button. It's not working. Okay, what happened? What happened? Here, this one. When we reload, there is no concept map. It means it's not saved. Okay. Moving it. Saving it. Save data. What happened, bro? Where is the body? And what happened, yeah? Okay. Let's log saving the concept map data with payload. Payload is okay. What happened here? Flow store TS is not a valid yes. Okay, wait a minute. Catch here big avoid response JSON. Okay. Let's see what happened. Let's see the validated request. Yeah, previously this code is fine, so ah what the what? Oh, okay. Previously this code is working fine, guys. But it doesn't work. Doesn't work. It's not coming here. Okay, just just make it all. Create something, save. Alright. Oh, store 244. Hey. Wait. API concept map save logs. The AI changing this thing. Yeah. Okay. Save concept map. Doesn't change anything. Doesn't change the endpoint, so endpointnya is correct. What happened? This. Okay. Action log is not create. Okay. The action log is available here. Okay, so the action log is sent to the server just fine. Okay, what happened? Okay, let's see. Maybe just the validation things. Oh, save these things. Okay. Column not found. Why? Already migrated, guys. Table. Ah, okay. Typo, man. Okay. I use one S and I use double S. Yes, common programming things. Okay, store log request. Okay, this is can use this. Man. If you guys have any ideas how to make it easy to debug these things, I will be very happy to accept comments. Mas Rea, Om Rea, welcome. Ngoding. All right. let's see. Add concept map, create a link, create another concept map, connecting it, then saving. Okay. All right. But unexpected. Failed to save concept. Save log. Okay. Use the request first. Okay. Save. All right. Cannot be null. Okay, what? Oh, yes. This is not. Oh my god. You like this, guys? Yeah. Even though we use the vibe coding things, we still have so many mistakes. Let's see. Clear. Save it. Okay. Array to string conversion. Okay. This one. We need to add the cast because this is from array to JSON, from JSON to array, so we need to cast things. Just the Laravel things. I think the JavaScript one is very good. Okay, let's see. Ta-da! All right. Log save successfully. Okay, and then concept map controller. Log controller. I want to use this store. Concept map log request. Let's see. Is it working or not? Clear these things, then save it. Okay. Nice. Works. Oh, let's see. Concept map logs. We have the final edges. We have the process. So let's see. We move the node. We yeah. We have this node create the payload, but when we moving the node, we do not have the data of the node. So I think the data of the node is necessary. Not move. Edge create. Okay. I think this is quite good for now. Then if we already implement the saving features, then we can continue with the replay features. But I think we can stop it right now. The stream is already 1 hour. I just want to commit 1 hour in the morning and an hour in the night. After this, I'll need to read some papers, review some experiments. So this is a good, good 1 hour activities with AI. So after you guys create things and you are okay with the changes, so don't forget to commit your change. Okay, this is so far the best feature of VS Code to create this commit logs, and I can commit easily. I do not have to track one by one files. All right, let's chit chat time. How do you guys think about the vibe coding? 1 hour, and we have this. Iksan, Rea Vlog, yang di Twitch kok spam link GJ. Iya tuh, nggak tahu tuh kenapa di Twitch. Barusan ini sih, barusan nge-setup Twitch juga. Jadi ya pelajaran. Yang di Twitch pelajaran, guys. Masih baru. Spam link dia. Ya, oke lah. Iksan, Rea Vlogs. Rea, Sihan, Tanjuran. Mantap lah ya. So, 1 hour activities, we get one small step of the features. So, even though this is not the best, final features that I wanted, because the log is not very, I don't know. Can we create the replay function based on this only this ID? Because we also need the data. So maybe in the payload there will be more data, not only the node ID, but something like this. Payload should be like this one. So when the payload is loaded, and can create the replay features for this. So nice, yeah. So this is the preview of how we do a vibe coding, guys. So in my best practice, you may have a different opinion about vibe coding, but please do not vibe coding when you learn the basic. When you create a project, it's okay to vibe coding it, but when you learn the basic of the programming, I hope that you learn without AI. So I will against our vice presidents put AI into the junior high school, elementary school. Please be careful when implementing the AI things. Also, the Minister of Education wants AI in the education. Okay, but please be careful with it. Please be wise with it. Define when we will use, when we create things with AI. So AI is good, but do not use for the basic things. Hey, hello, Debbie. I'm fine, Deb. Hey, when we guys go to Japan? Are you guys already implement the vibe coding things? Debbie in 001, right? Debbie in 01. Isan, where is Isan? I don't know. Isan's Polynema or where, yeah? I think all the startup is now try to implement AI to their working process, I think. So my best practice would recommend you, yes, you should code with AI, discuss with AI, but put them as a copilot, not as the pilot. So put the copilot, stay as a copilot. Don't put them in charge. You are the one who in charge in this your coding things. And don't forget to use the Git, because Git is very important. My mistake is that I type code, just let the AI take the control, and then the code is just like, oh, so bad, so bad. The code is wild. I do not know what is this function. They create a lot of technical depth, but if you decide to create the code the architecture, how to say that, you define what state management that you want, what kind of the architecture, what kind of folder structure you have. And I believe in every startup, in every company, you will have your like a code of conduct, right? So put your code of conduct into your AI. So the generated code will follow your best practice. All right, this is 1 hour coding, pipe coding. I do not type so many things, you know. Most of the JavaScript parts is, I believe, the generated code, but in the Laravel parts, I know, I know which one is the best one, which one is the bad. This is, I think, a bad. How to say? This is a bad example. I do not have to create something like this. This is the AI generated is bad in this one. Just no, I think we can do it like this. Request validated. Let's see. You know, sometimes the AI is good, sometimes they bad. We are the pilot. We do not. Let's see. We are the pilot, and then we push this and we save. So it's okay. See the difference of the quality of the code. Let's see. Request validated. With this one, I will only have this define these variables here. So it will reduce my typing mistake. Let's see. I mistype the S here, but the here also I mistype these things. Imagine that if you are a junior programmer, doesn't know and doesn't understand the basic, and then you go vibe coding, this is dangerous. But if you are experienced in these things and you know, then the vibe coding will help you a lot. Iksan, but when we use like Github Copilot, they can remember style of our code? Maybe, but maybe yeah, maybe they remember, but I cannot confirm that, guys. I'm actually researching about these things. Where is it? The .vs code file will have a settings.json. In this settings.json, we can connect to our docs. I have this Laravel code style. I put all my best practice here, but somehow they still miss the comment. I also put the project requirement, but this is a failed experiment. Don't follow this. Doesn't work. And there is a React code style that I get somewhere in the internet, some random things. I'm not the best in React today, yeah. But I will get up. I will learn React and I will catch up to you guys. Compared to compared to any other WRE members about React, today I'm not the best, but just wait. Just wait, you guys, you know. I will catch up. This JavaScript things is quite powerful and enabled my research. Something like this to create the UI like this. This is very good. And nowadays, all the learning seems like to change to the online learning and remote learning. So I hope this tool can help a lot of students learn. Okay, let's see if I reload. This is go back. Okay, this is working. I will save this and I will reload. Okay, this is working. This is very good working. All right. Thank you everybody for coming and accompany me coding and learn with me about this vibe coding journey. Let's see you guys maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. Anytime I have time to stream, I will stream this process. So far, PHP is so good, Laravel is so good, React is kinds of a little bit so many things that I do not know, but somehow I start feel that React is so big. I do not know where to start. So yeah, let's see if I will I stay in React or not. That is already the questions. But for today, for this project, I will use React. Most of you also recommend me to use what's the Svelte, the Vue.js, but yeah, let's see. This is so far so good. I hope you guys get the insight how to do the vibe coding. Yes, it takes 1 hour because I do not understand React, but let's see what I can do in 1 hour with AI. But also with my knowledge and with my background knowledge, not only the final code, right? So you will have to know to have a good background knowledge to start vibe coding. If you do not have a good background knowledge in the vibe coding, you will have a hard time. So please use it wisely, and please do not force or do not encourage a beginner to use AI. Just let them learn the basic. Maybe you can create the tools for the learning, but do not give them chance to use AI as early as possible. Just let them know the basic, teach them step by step. Let them know the concept. All right. Uh, Stream will be end in several minutes. So thank you guys for listening, and I hope you guys have a very good day. See you guys the next streams.